Tired of spending endless hours trying to crack the Google ranking code, only to end up frustrated and overwhelmed? You're not alone. SEO can seem like a maze. I-E-E-I-E-C. But what if there was a smarter, faster way to get real results? Meet SEO-Tol.com, your streamlined solution for all things SEO. Imagine conducting in-depth keyword research in just seconds. Picture auditing your website and uncovering instant opportunities for improvement. With SEO-Tol.com, you can track your rankings, monitor your backlinks, and manage your entire SEO strategy from one simple, intuitive dashboard. Whether you're just starting out, running a blog, or leading a digital marketing team, SEO-Tol.com gives you the tools and insights you need to succeed, without the hassle or confusion. Stop relying on guesswork and outdated methods. Start taking control of your SEO with confidence. Visit SEO-Tol.com today and unlock the potential of your website.